Alrighty, doing my central machinery 20-inch high velocity floor fan, 6,000 cubic feet per minute, which is pretty darn good. This actually one is full. I bought two. I didn't bother unboxing it because literally you get two pieces. This piece and this stand bit that has two snappy things. You snap them together. I mean, aside from getting it out of the plastic without dropping it, there's nothing much to unboxing it. So, now on with the review. I would give these a 1 star if you don't do what needs to be done. You see these cross supports on the cage, I guess you want to call it. These are on the inside instead of the outside. And the tip of this blade, if this just falls over backwards, boop, straight on the ground, not a drop, but just tips over backwards, lands on the ground, this will catch on one of these. One of them will. First time on my first one. First time. The thing nails this thing hard and folds the tip of this sucker, totally unbalancing it. So, if you want a good fan, a fairly reliable fan, this is what you have to do. Get 2 screwdrivers. Bend that tip. You want to bend it so that it is actually pointing, come back here, away from those. So now, let me get you a picture of that tip. See that tip now? No longer pointing towards these bars. If this falls back, it will now scrape across the bars without damage. So you do want to bend them pretty equal. I mean, if you got one that's really bent far and one that's not bent very far, you will have it out of balance a bit. You want them to be pretty equal. So, who would like to bet whether it's out of balance or not? Oops. Sorry, I forgot to take off that little deal here. Alright, let's see how out of balance it is. See if it still blows a lot of air. Alright, here we go, stage 1. Nice and smooth. Stage 2. And if you'd like to watch my chair towel there, stage 2, nice and smooth. 3. Smooth as silk. Lots of air blowing. Now, you've got a pretty good fan. I'm not going to tip it over and demonstrate how good, because, you know, they're not the best in the world, but now, at least if it falls over backwards, it'll glance off that rather than hitting it and bending the crap out of your fin. Now, I'd give it about 4 stars. Because I've been using these a lot. I haven't knocked another one over yet, because I'm learning to be real careful, but I'm willing to bet you if I knock another one over, it's not going to fold up that fin like it did the first time. It'll just jump over and lay them. So, otherwise, a pretty good fan. They move some nice air. They will really keep you cool. And that's my review. I'm sticking to it.